In this video, we're going to show you how to replace an idler pulley on your Ram 2500. This is going to be located on the front of the motor. Let's get started. Using a clip tool, remove all of the plastic clips for the front trim. There's going to be 6 clips working your way into the middle. Remove those 6 clips and then repeat the same process on the other side. We have 2 more plastic clips on the back. Go ahead and remove them. We're going to lift up on our trim piece. And remove it from the vehicle. Using a 10mm socket, remove the 2 bolts for the air dam. There's one on each side. Do the same thing on the other side. On the back of our intake, we have a Christmas tree clip holding on our harness. Go ahead and pop this clip off the intake. Remove the intake. Looking down inside the engine bay, we're going to follow our harness back from our clutch for our fan. We have a connector right here, and there's a push button right on that finger. We're going to push on that, pull straight back, remove the connector. Separate that. We're going to use a trim tool. I have a Christmas tree clip right here, and pop this bracket off. Pop that clip out. Using a 1/2-inch ratchet, pull the tension off the tensioner and remove the belt off of a pulley. Remove the belt out and around all of the pulleys. And we're going to work our belt around the fan. We have to work this behind all of the fins. Feed the belt behind the fan. Remove the belt from the vehicle. Using a 13mm socket, we're going to remove the bolt for our idler pulley. Remove the idler pulley. Install the new idler pulley into place. Get the bolt started by hand and snug it down. Snug the bolt down using a 14mm socket. Torque the pulley bolt to 32 foot-pounds. We're going to install our belt down into place. I'm going to go down all the way around the crank. Get it started around that. Follow the belt diagram on screen and install your belt. Get a ratchet installed around your tensioner. And I have my belt installed around all of my pulleys. The last one we'll be putting on is this alternator one in the front. Get that belt installed on that last pulley. I'm just going to go through and double check that my belt's riding correctly on all of my pulleys, making sure it's sitting in the grooves where it should and on the flats where it should. Our belt is fully installed correctly. We can remove our wrench. Pull the fan clutch connector over. Install that Christmas tree clip. Install the connector. Push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on. Install the intake down into place. Get it fully installed onto the intake box. Get the top 2 bolts started. There's one on each side. Snug down the bolts. Get them nice and tight. Install the top trim piece. Get it to sit inside of the bumper. Do the same thing on the other side. Install all the plastic clips along the front. Install the 2 plastic clips in the back. and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.